Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the data table within MapThat. To explore the data table, firstly let's tick to display some of the points of interest layers. These include leisure centres, one-stop shops and post offices. From the right hand side of the map, choose the arrow to open the data table. At the top of the data table we have the layer name, the tree and the count of records in the map. If we now zoom into the map, we can see the list of records has now updated based on the features within the map. Again, if we pan the map, the list of records and the record count changes. In the top right, we can choose the list box to select a different layer. For example, the one-stop shops. Notice how the record count now updates. If we choose the list box again and choose the post offices, we now have a list of the post offices. Choosing the red X in the top right of the data table allows us to remove a specific layer. Notice the post offices have now been unticked. Next, in the data table, if we select a specific record such as a leisure centre, the map will auto-centre over the selected feature. Let's now clear the map to remove all of our existing layers. We'll choose Home to view the extents of Liverpool, and then in the Education tree, let's turn on the Liverpool schools. Opening the data table from the right hand side, we can see there are over 400 schools within Liverpool. Each school has a series of different columns, for example school name and status, type and admissions. We'll then have some options from the top. For example, if we click the arrow we can choose columns and we can untick a specific field such as admissions to hide that data. We can also click on a specific field name such as the schools and choose to sort that data in ascending or descending order. The data table also provides a filter tool at the top. In this example, we'll filter using the word open and apply it to the status field. By applying the filter, notice the records have now updated to only show the open schools. By pressing the green button, we apply that filter to the map. The data table provides users with the option to export their data to Excel. If we click on the Excel button, we can export our data into .xls and also .xlsx format. In addition to exporting to Excel, we have a spatial export tool. By clicking this, we can export to a number of GIS and CAD formats. Let's clear the map again, and this time I'm going to use a bookmark to open the grounds maintenance data for Liverpool. From the right hand side, if we open up the data table, we view the records. And using the Edit Attributes button, we can now click in a particular cell and make an edit change to the information. By pressing Save, the information will be committed to the table. Finally, let's make a mass update. Selecting more than one feature using the tick boxes, we can use the update options above to choose the field and the value to enter. Here we'll choose these two grass features, setting the type field to now be hard standing. Once updated and we press Save, notice the attributes have changed to hard standing and in the map the features have turned to red.